This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 12th of July 2013. The US dollar is staying in tight range against other major currencies as the weekend approaches. Markets have stabilized from the earlier sell-off in the greenback. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke reiterated that the Fed would maintain the highly accommodative monetary policy for the foreseeable future, as that is what's needed. Stocks were boosted and the Dow jumped to close at another record high of 15,460.92. A key focus today will be St. Louis Fed Bullard's speech. Bullard is a known dove who proposed expansion of asset purchases due to lower inflation. Markets will have some reaction if Bullard hints at shifting his stance. Meanwhile, the euro is struggling to extend the post-Federal Open Market Committee gains against the dollar so far, and it's indeed soft against other European majors. Earlier this week, European Central Bank Board member Asmussen assured that the central bank would leave the current policies for an extended period, which meant over 12 months. However, Bundesbank President Weidmann was quick enough to clarify that the central bank has not tied itself to the mast, and an extended period is the period policymakers expect the key European central bank interest rates to remain at present or lower levels is a flexible horizon which does not pre-specify an end date, but is conditional on the Governing Council's assessment of the economic fundamentals that determine underlying inflation. He added that it's not an absolute advanced commitment of the interest rate path. His comments were echoed by European Central Bank Board member Benoit Couere, who indicated that guidance should not be seen as commitment. On the data front, Australian home loans rose 1.8% in May versus expectation of 2.2%. Japanese industrial production rose 1.9% month-on-month in May, revised lower. Eurozone industrial production will be released and is expected to drop 0.2% month-on-month in May. The US will release PPI, which is expected to accelerate to 2% year-on-year in June, with core PPI moderating to 1.6%. Preliminary readings of the University of Michigan sentiment will also be released and is expected to rise slightly to 85 in July. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.